Well, hello there, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ugo, and I'm here to slay. I'm here today to slay my eyes. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ugo, and today I have a mini review for you guys. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I do not understand what you're waiting for and why you have not subscribed to this damn self's channel. And I am judging you. Yes, you. I'm judging you from here until you subscribe. And do not forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Capish? Click it. And do not mind this nail. It came off and I had to film. I can't go and get it done before I film. So don't judge your girl, man. I'm just going to get right into this review. Yay. And I wore earrings today. I'm stepping it up. You know I'm stepping it up. You know. Guys, hold on, just trying to get this out of this. Let me carry box. My setup, right, is like a zoo. I got sent the Mood Beauty. Oh, let's see. Can you see that? Good, that's it. So I got sent this package from Mood Beauty. They sent a prayer package for Valentine. It was so nice. It was really packaged well. Inside we have all of this goodies. It also came with a price list, which is really nice and detailed, so we'll let you guys know how much it is. So the PR box came with so many things in it. From what I can see, these are 2 eyeshadow palettes. Guys, look at the packaging and the drawing of these 2 palettes. Like, these ladies are slayed. Whoa. This is the Arusha palette. So gorgeous. This is gorgeous. And the Arusha palette has nude colors from what I can see. The second mini palette is the Bocab palette. And on their website, it says these are the Culture palettes. The Bocab palette is made up of all matte shades. Look at that. This is the Mood Beauty Pro palette, and yeah, this is what it looks like. No artwork on this one. And I love the fact that it's grey. It looks different, so this is what it looks like. It looks very nice, very colorful, sweet. I'm so confused on what palette to work with today, but I think I'm going to be diving into the Pro palette because I can create any look and every look from the Pro palette. Like, it has my greens, my blues, my colors, and my nudes, my shimmers, and name it. It has it, okay? Also, they sent me. Oh, look at this girl. This girl is glowing to the gods. She's like, I paid my bills. I'm not owing you. I'm minding my business. And I'm living life. Oh. Like, literally, she's glowing as well. This is how it looks inside. It is black and it's so pretty, and it comes with 4 shades. And the last thing I got here is, oh, I'm so confused right now. Hold on. This is the Mood Beauty glitter palette. Let me see if you guys can see that. It has this like silver reflective thing, like, yeah. So yeah, this is the glitter palette, and it has 9 glitter shades in it. And yeah, these are all the products they sent. The brand is Mood Beauty, and you can get the products at www.moodbeautyonline.com, and the Instagram handle is Mood Beauty Online. Yeah, and that's what it is. That's the end. So please, can we just jump right into beating this face, because I look so flat right now. All right. So after much deliberation between I and my government in my head, I have decided to go for the Mood Beauty Pro palette, which is this one. The first shade I'm going to dip into on this palette is this shade right here. I'm going to tap that all over my lid, having a look in mind. So what I love about the small palettes is that they come with, say it with me, they come with mirrors. That's why I love them. Yeah, I understand that the big one can't come with a mirror, but the small ones come with mirrors, and I love them. So I'm just going to use that mirror to focus on, my eyes. Well, by the way, I prepped my eye with the Younger Beauty Pepper Prime, and I have some powders under here just in case of fallout. That looks nice so far. Next, I'm gonna take this, is it a tapered blending brush? I don't know, man. I'm just gonna take that color as well and start to blend out the hash line. Okay, that is blending out nicely well. I'm just gonna blow it in here. Next shades I'm gonna be mixing through are these two shades right here. I'm gonna use that to like diffuse and just give me some kind of sunset look. And I'm just trying to create a mix and add ooh ooh. I think I'm using the wrong brush for this. So I'm gonna put this brush. I'm mixing those two together and I'm loving the outcome. Taking it all the way in as well. Don't really need to like stamp see the pigment. I'm seeing the pigment even while I'm trying to blend, and I love that. Now that we're done with that, I'm going to take a clean brush. This is a very clean brush, and I'm just going to blend out the edges so that I have no harsh lines whatsoever. I'm going to go in with this light shade, this one right here, and just use that to diffuse what is going on with the orange shade and all that. I'm taking a clean brush this time, clean as brush. I'm just taking a little bit of that product and putting it on my, bringing all the harsh lines away. So now we're going to switch it up a notch. We're going to like top it up, like give her 100 watts, 400, 250 watts, the voltage. I'm going to go in with this thickening blue. This blue right here reminds me of my pencil in V blue. It's literally the same kind of like teal green or blue, that's why I named it V blue, but it's still, look at the pigment on the brush. Normal. So not really, I'm not going for like a clean cut crease or anything. Just placing it all over and blending it in. I'm gonna go back in with that first mauve shade or whatever shade it was I put in, and then I'm gonna connect them, lay this together, because I'm not going to stand here and watch everything just not blend. They have to blend. We need to blend, okay? So I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna put the shade back in the crease as well. Now I'm gonna line my eye with my Betty Blue liner from BINWA Cosmetics. Go Betty Blue! Next, I'm going to put this nice shimmery blue on my waterline to complement the Betty Blue liner. Oh, should I go with the blue? No, I'm going with that blue. My name is Ugo, and I'm going with that. I'm going with that shade, and I'm taking that on a flat brush. Stamp it on. Stamping it on. So to go cray and let them know that Chic is not having any of that, I'm gonna go in with this purple shade right here. Oh, this one. I'm having a color bust today. Next thing I do is use my powder, and I just make sure I blend away any unnecessary lines and just go back in with the shape. Use my translucent powder. Just achieving that. It looks like a peacock. I'm gonna fix some lashes off the camera because of this after struggling the lashes. I will be right back. So I'm just gonna do my normal stuff. I'm going to bronze up my face as usual with my Zara face powder, which is done. I'm just gonna take that. Rub that to his face, and then we are going to contour the nose rib. And for the nose, always take it all the way here, to the brow, and then even kind of like blend with my eyeshadow. And then I begin to see that I have arrived. At this point, I'm like, I have arrived, girl. I'm gonna take this shade right here. This shade, this one. This one, yeah. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna open up my tear because she's like she's healing, she's dark, and I'm just like no, no. Oh yeah, that's perfect. I'm gonna take my sleek brush, cute little brush, and I'm going to put that on my cheek using my favorite NARS brush. I like using this brush for blush. I don't know why. Brush for blush. I'm gonna put that blush on my cheeks. Yeah. Eyes are heavy, so the face has to match. And minus that, I love blush. So next up, they have highlighter, and this is called the SOLIATA palette. I'm just gonna take this palette with my favorite highlighting brush, and I'm gonna take this shade here. This shade looks a bit dark, so I'm gonna be mixing this, not like dark, but I want to pop a bit more. So I'm gonna take these two shades. So I'm just gonna take that on my brush. Ooh. It's a bit powdery though. It's a powdery highlight, but let's see how it performs on the face. Me likey. I like it. I like the highlight. So it's just a bit powdery. But it's been the one. And you know me, I don't miss that. So, oh my god, this on the forehead is so pretty. Ah. Okay, so I'm just gonna put on the temples everywhere. I love to put my highlighter. This highlighter is so smooth, like it's so smooth. Keyed up. I'm gonna go with the other shade now. I'm just gonna top up this one. Yes. Woo! I'm just gonna mix both and put them on my brow bone. Okay, I heard you the first time. Heard you. Okay. So for the list, first up, I'm gonna take this Maybelline lip lacquer. Okay. I'm gonna take some clear gloss because you know I like to put clear gloss for lining, and just blend that all in. This is the Beauty by AB clear gloss. Look at how many things I have in my hand. I want to do. I'm finished. I'm gonna get with my pencil and then line my lips real quick. And right after that, again, I'm gonna go in with my clear gloss all over and just blend everything together. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed creating this look. It's different from everything I usually create, from what we can see. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed me creating this look as much as I enjoyed creating it for you guys. I really love this brand. I love the fact that their packaging is original. This is what we want to see. Put effort into the packaging. Like, look at that girl. Like, you know, the packaging is original. Everything about the brand is just original and nice, and I feel like every product I used today I really enjoyed. The eyeshadow was a banger. I've not tried the other two, but this Pro 1 palette is definitely a banger for me. The highlighter, did I say, like literally it's like skin, you know. The highlighter is really sitting in, and it's not, you know, it's not this unnecessary. I wish you guys could see me in real life. I am glowing for the god. If you guys want to check them, they are Mood Beauty Online on Instagram and www.moodbeautyonline.com to shop. Please do not forget to subscribe to your girl's channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps your girl, and also click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video, so that we can as well get lit together. Ooh, I don't understand English I just spoke for. I don't understand what I'm saying. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.